Assembling a mounted print. Equipment and supplies. Assembly jig, self-healing cutting mat, 4-inch roller from the faux canvas kit, print cutter, photo gloves, 5x7 or 8x10 print, print mount. Prepare the mount. Remove the protective sleeve from the photo mount. Position the jig on the self-healing cutting mat. Peel back 2 or 3 inches of the adhesive liner from one corner of the mount. Fold the lifted liner with your fingers. Place the mount in the jig with the exposed adhesive facing up. Mount the print. Caution! Be sure to wear photo gloves when handling the customer's photo to avoid leaving fingerprints on the print. Hold the print above the adhesive and position it so the top and left sides extend onto the lip of the jig. Press the bottom edge of the print onto the exposed adhesive. Remove the jig from the mat. Lift the attached print with one hand and remove the rest of the liner with your other hand. Carefully lay the print over the entire mount using the 4-inch roller. Finish the mounted print. Work out any air bubbles and bond the print to the mount with the roller. Turn the mount face down on the cutting mat. Trim the exposed print edges with the print cutter. Unlock the cutter. Squeeze the trigger on the handle to extend the blade. Press the lock to keep the blade extended. Hold the cutter at a slight angle to position the cutting wheel as close to the mount as possible. Trim all sides of the print. Note: lift the mount from the mat with every turn to avoid scratching the print. Release the lock to retract the blade and lock it again for safety. The mounted print assembly is now complete. User safety. Warning: cutting wheel on the print cutter is extremely sharp. Keep it locked in a retracted position when not in use to prevent injury. To use the cutter, press the lock button on the side of the handle. Squeeze and hold the trigger again to extend the cutting wheel. Press the lock button to keep the cutting wheel extended. To store the cutter, press the lock button. Allow the cutting wheel to retract. Press the lock button to keep the cutting wheel closed.